Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Anastasia Beverly Hills created a new palette, the Riviera palette, and I love the colors in it, so please keep on watching to see the look I created. The first thing I always do is primer my eyes with the MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre. So the first color I'm gonna use is the color Estate. I'm gonna blend this all over my crease.
When there's no hope loving for you who saw me before I knew who I'd be. What I have around me means nothing to me if I can't share it with you. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. What I don't close the door, waiting the chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy.
I will blend the color Coastline a little bit lower than I did with the color Estate, and I'm doing this in little steps.
You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but knowing that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so.
So I'm going to cut the crease with the MAC Cosmetics Pro Long Wear Concealer in the color NC15 and my Real Techniques Detailer brush. Make the concealer a little bit tacky by using a flat brush. This is from Zoeva. So I'm gonna use the first shimmery color of today. I'm using the color Seaside close to my inner corner. I will apply the color Mediterranean next to Seaside and blend them together. Make the outer V darker with the color palm. And blend everything together with the color Coastline. This is my favorite color of this palette. I love this color so much, so I'm applying this in the inner corner and blend it a little bit to the beginning of my lower lash line. So it's time to apply some bright colors on the lower lash line with this flat brush by Riviera. And apply the color Palm also on the lower lash line as you did in the outer V of the eye. I'm going to use this Catrice Cosmetics white eye pencil on my waterline and a little bit of mascara on my lashes and my bottom lashes. So this is the result of today's look. I hope you like how it came out. It's a colorful look because this palette contains beautiful bright colors, well perfect for spring. So I will thank you guys for watching.